Mediation is a process where a neutral third party, known as a mediator, helps the parties involved in the case to negotiate a settlement. The mediator will be a retired judge or another attorney. The goal of mediation is to avoid going to trial and reach a mutually acceptable agreement that satisfies all parties. In preparation for the mediation, your attorney will prepare a legal brief that summarizes for the mediator and for defense counsel the issues in the case. We will address any liability issues, as well as your medical care and prognosis. It will include facts supporting your damages and tell the mediator a little bit about you and your life. It will also include case law and research supporting our position, as appropriate depending on the issues in your case. You do not need to do any special preparation for the mediation. Mediations are typically either a half-day or a full day in length, so there will be plenty of downtime to talk with your attorney and ask any questions during the mediation. During the mediation, you will be with your attorney in a room, and the defendant and insurance company representatives and defense counsel will be in a separate room. The mediator will go in between the rooms, gathering information by talking with the parties and getting settlement numbers from each side. Don't be surprised if there is a big difference between the settlement numbers at the beginning. We usually start higher than we think it will settle, while defense will start lower than they know the case is worth. As the mediation progresses, each side will move closer toward the middle. We can tell the mediator information confidentially, or share information that we specifically want shared with the other side. The mediator's job is to try and help settle the case. The mediator does not make decisions or impose solutions, but rather helps the parties find a solution that works for everyone. Mediation is voluntary, confidential, and non-binding, meaning that the parties can choose to end the process at any time, and the mediator's suggestions are not legally enforceable. Ultimately, the decision to settle or not will be yours. Please remember to be on time for the mediation. Dress nice and consider your background if it is virtual. Even though you won't be in court or interacting with the defense, impressions matter. If it is virtual, also consider your internet connection, as you can always come into our office for the mediation. Finally, don't hesitate to let us know if at any time before or during the mediation you have any questions or concerns.